Are you excited about the festivities ahead, but worried about your look? Craving the glow that outshines a million diyas? I got you covered. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet, a dermatologist, skin specialist with wide experience in treating skin and hair disorders. So we'll be talking about how you can get a good glow in just 14 days and moreover, how to maintain and sustain it. So let's begin. The first and the most important thing is to really figure out what skin type you have. Whether your skin is oily, whether it's dry, it's combination or sensitive. Oily skin usually has a shine to it, but it's more on the greasier side. Dry skin feels very tight after you wash your face. Combination is a combination again of both oily areas and dry areas. And sensitive skin is a skin which gets irritated very easily. Redness and reactions occur very easily in a sensitive skin. Second most important thing to follow is a good CTM routine. So what is CTM routine? C stands for cleanser, T for toner, and M for moisturizer. So it actually depends on what skin type you have. That's why it's very important to really find out what skin type you have, and then based on that you can follow a good CTM routine, because products that will cater the needs of oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin and combination skin. To follow a good healthy cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine is the backbone of healthy skin. The third most important thing to do is follow a good sun protection routine, which is again dependent on what skin type you have. So do use sun protection. SPF is must. More than 30 SPF is absolutely mandatory every single day, because sun rays can cause a lot of damage to your skin. It causes burning, peeling, premature aging, dark spots, pigmentation. So to prevent the risk of skin cancer as well as other skin issues, most important thing to do is follow a good sun protection routine by using a good SPF. Fourth most important thing that you can do is good exfoliation routine to follow. Use a good scrub. You can use either a manual scrub or a chemical based scrub, chemical peeling agent, but do use a scrub because it will slough off the dead skin cells and get you a much fresher and younger look. That's very important for if you're battling any kind of skin issue like pigmentation, dark spots, under eye dark circles, pigmentation around the corner of the lips. So this is very important to exfoliate your skin regularly. Twice or thrice a day. It again depends on what skin type you have. If you have very oily skin, you can easily exfoliate thrice a week. But if you have skin which is very dry and lacks a lot of moisture, then even once a week is more than enough for you. Another thing that you can do is use a good vitamin C based serum. This is the very important step that can be done by every single skin type, because vitamin C is something which really helps in not only protecting your skin, but at the same time helps with pigmentation, dark spots, improving collagen production, and has numerous benefits. So do use a vitamin skin serum indefinitely. I understand these are a lot of things to follow, but if you really listen to them, these are not very difficult things to practice in daily life. It's very simple cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine to be done twice a day. Other than that, cleaning your bed sheets, mattresses, phone covers, and not stressing it out, drinking a lot of water. These are very basic things, and if you follow it for 14-15 days, it comes just like a habit, and then you end up with really glowing skin. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe more for skin related content. And if you have any queries regarding this particular video, you can put your comments or queries in the comment section, and we'll try to reply to each one of them. Thank you.